The Azdome M200 mini dashcam boasts an ultra-compact design, allowing it to be discreetly placed behind the rearview mirror, minimizing any obstruction to the driver's view. Equipped with a 150-degree wide-angle lens, this dashcam captures comprehensive road details, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. With its built-in Wi-Fi, users can easily access and download videos via the Azdome app, allowing seamless video management and sharing on social media platforms. The dashcam records in full high definition, providing clear and detailed footage in various lighting conditions, which is essential for capturing critical road details. Featuring 2 parking modes, the Azdome M200 utilizes a G-sensor for collision detection, locking important footage, and offers a time-lapse mode for continuous recording when parked. The loop recording feature ensures that the camera continues to record by overwriting old footage, while the G-sensor secures crucial moments by locking them from being deleted.